Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4 using application. You have to start by open HUAWEI AI Life application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. Now scroll down and right here at the right side we have Find. So click at this button and now we can play a sound for the left and right earbuds, but your earbuds should be or outside the charging case or inside the charging case, but the case should be open, because right now if I put it to the charging case and close the case, I cannot use Find My. As you can see, nothing here. So, or the charging case and charging case opened, or outside the charging case. Then you can play a sound for your left or right earbuds, or for both of them. Just tap at the best one for you. Let's say you wanna play it for the left earbud, then click play. Also we can add a right one. And it will increase the volume each time, so don't worry, you don't need to control the volume on your device. After you found them, just click stop, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!